Easy homemade hummus recipe, under 10 minutes, let's do it! Fast forward, we begin this recipe by chopping 1 white large onion, together with 4 cloves of garlic. And I know it kind of looks a lot, but don't worry, this is an unconventional recipe, so we're gonna cook this in a pan and you're not gonna feel them that much. Now that you have the onion and the garlic chopped, set the pan on medium-high heat and add 2 tablespoons of veg oil. The chopped vegetable goes straight in and cook them until the onion becomes translucent, 3 to 5 minutes, something like that. Here we've got 2 tins of ready cooked chickpea. Obviously you can use the dry one and cook it yourself, but why would you bother? It's a lot easier this way. Drain the liquid, but make sure you keep it, and in the pan they go. Cook everything that we've got in a pan on high heat for another 4 minutes. And let's start seasoning. The basic seasoning such as salt and pepper goes first, and after that we're adding some smoked paprika that works really well with the hummus. And of course, what would be hummus without ground cumin? So ground cumin it is. Bring some heat into those spices, this will increase the overall flavor of the hummus. Remove the chickpea from the heat and transfer it to the food processor, we're gonna blend the heck out of it. But before starting blending, make sure you add some lemon juice. Half lemon will definitely do, but if you want more or less, just adjust to your liking. Together with the lemon juice go some tahini paste, and if you don't want to keep it traditional, you can simply replace this with almond butter or peanut butter, or a mixture of all these 3. With the hope that you didn't throw away some of the liquid from the chickpea, add about 100 ml of it straight into the blender. Start whizzing all these ingredients together until they turn into a paste. Of course, I forgot the extra virgin olive oil, add about 30 to 50 ml in. Once you're done blending, finish with some more extra virgin olive oil, add a touch of smoked paprika, chop some chives and sprinkle everything on top, and you're good to go. Serve with feta, roasted peppers and a freshly made focaccia that you can find on my channel and is on the screen right now.